Hi, I'm Rodney Highfield with Highfield Door Sales. Just wanted to show you the particular type work that we do. No job too big, no job too small. This particular job is a 34-foot 2-inch wide by 14-foot tall overhead garage door manufactured by CHI Overhead Door out of Arthur, Illinois. This is installed by Highfield Door Sales. This is for our customer that has a combine, a 30-foot wide combine. He wanted to be able to put his combine inside of his pole building. Just wanted to show the type of work that we do. CHI Overhead Door manufactured in Arthur, Illinois, installed by Highfield Door Sales. 34 foot 2 inches wide by 14 foot tall.